Need a quick way to remember important tasks on your Android phone? In this guide, you will learn how to set a reminder using Google Calendar in just a few simple steps so you never miss an important event or to do again. Step 1. Unlock your Android phone and locate the Google Calendar app. If you don't see it on your home screen, open the app drawer and search for Calendar. Tap the app to launch it. Step 2. Inside Google Calendar, look for the plus button, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap it and select Task from the available options. Tasks are ideal for reminders because they help you track things you need to complete. Step 3. Type a clear title describing what you need to remember. For example, you could write Call Mom, Buy Groceries, Take Medicine, or Attend Team Meeting. Giving your task a specific name makes it easier to recognize when the notification appears. Step 4. Tap the Date field to select the day you want to receive the reminder. Then tap the Time field and choose the exact hour and minute. Setting the correct date and time ensures you'll receive a notification when it's most useful. Step 5. After reviewing the details, tap Save in the top right corner. Your task will now appear in Google Calendar and your Android phone will send you a notification at the scheduled time. That's it. You have successfully set a reminder on your Android phone using Google Calendar. With just a few taps, you can stay on top of your daily schedule, improve productivity, and ensure you never miss important tasks or appointments again.